So I'll just give you a run through. This is a lithium upgrade we've done for Jake and Dom. So it's got 3 of the Pylontech batteries. So they're all about 3.3 kilowatt hours each. So that gives them 10 kilowatt hours of batteries. And to do the upgrade, what we've had to do as well is to add in this little box, so the Turbo. So that one, there's the brains of the system. So the solar chargers and the inverter and the batteries all talk to that. And then that all displays on the touchscreen up top. So, but the 4 AGM batteries they had before weighed the same as all 3 of these batteries, but only had the capacity of 1. So go on lithium, we've tripled the capacity, and yeah, it's also a system that they can easily grow and add to. So they can slide another battery on top and plug it into the one below and add another battery, which is awesome. But this will help them give their power, running their air cons off grid and whatever else they got to do. So that's it. Thanks, guys.